SETPOINT U. Inform, educate, empower.
Do you know how to create a custom analog output configuration for matching output values from a controller to drive a specific device such as a damper or valve actuator? If so, what type of control device do you want to connect to a controller? This is needed to drive the end device within a certain voltage range. A controller device can be a valve actuator, a damper actuator, or speed control for a variable frequency drive. Let's walk through the steps of creating an analog output configuration. We first select the controller this object will be added to. In this case, we'll add it to controller number 100. Then choose the Manage button and choose Create. Scroll to the object reference and select AOC. We'll name it Chilled Water Valve Actuator. AOC stands for Analog Output Configuration. Now we'll choose Create. You'll notice it opens up the window for the AOC. The default unit says %. So the % of positioning on the valve actuator in this case is at 0. We get to choose what voltage we would like. At 0, we want 2 volts instead of 0 volts. We click over here, double-click on the blue space, and make that a 2. And at 100, we want 10 volts. We'll leave that right where it's at because it's the default value, and we'll say Save. Now that we've created this custom analog output configuration to actuate our chilled water valve with, we're going to close this and add it to our chilled water valve. Next, we're going to search for an AO type object. There's the chilled water valve that we'll open up, and select the chilled water valve actuator AOC and save. Now we've created an AOC and linked it to the operation of the chilled water valve actuator. This concludes our tips and tricks for today. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the notification bell to be notified when new videos are released. If you'd like more content like this, let us know in the comments below.